Hello, class of 2022. I am going to walk you through the process of choosing your courses for your ninth grade year. Once you've logged into PowerSchool, you'll click on class registration, and then a screen will come up that lists all of the different departments that are at Saline High School. With each of those departments, there's a corresponding yellow pencil. From that yellow pencil, if you click on it, it will bring up a screen that shows you all the classes that are offered by that department alphabetically. For English, I'm going to skip to page 3 because that's where the English 9 class is offered. Some of you may be taking the placement test for Honors English 9, but we may not know those results at this time, so please choose, every student should choose English 9 if we do not know the results of the placement test. You'll choose both trimesters because it's a 2-trimester class, and then you'll click OK. You'll proceed on to math, and again the classes are alphabetical. I'm going to jump to geometry, choosing both of them because it's a 2-trimester class, saying OK. I'm going to go into science. Your science teacher will be able to help you with the recommendation for science, as your math teacher can help you with the math recommendation. I'm going to choose biology, a 2-trimester class, say OK. Social studies, all students, all ninth grade students will choose world history, clicking OK. For world language, your world language teacher can help you with this placement. For purposes of this example, I'm going to say I'm only taking Spanish 1B because in 8th grade I took Spanish 1A. I'm going to choose for physical education, I'm going to choose basic PE and basic PE 2. For performing arts, I'm going to be a band student, so I will choose all 3 trimesters of band like you would if you were orchestra or if you were a choir student. I am also going to choose under family and consumer science is where you'll find health education. Notice I do not have selections in every category. That is perfectly fine. What's important that in the end I have chosen 15 trimesters worth of classes, and it reads that I've requested 7.5 credit hours. I also need to choose 5 alternates. So you'll click on the yellow pencil that corresponds with alternates. You'll choose 5 alternate classes that you would be fine with taking if we cannot get your first choice electives. When you have done that, you will be able to submit. Clicking the submit key will bring up a list of all of your 15 trimester classes as well as your 5 alternates. And that is how you enter your courses for your 9th grade year. The counselors will come back to the middle school and meet with you to review these selections. Thank you.